morning dear students. I am Poonam Chaudhary. Welcome to our live session second. So today we are going to start our next exercise 1C, that 1A and B that we have already done in our previous lecture. And in previous lecture we already understand about the place value, numerals and Indian and international numeration system. So today I am going to start our next exercise, that is 1C. So let's start with me. Okay, when I will say to you कि you have to see in your book, so you all have to open your book and read the question with me. That question will be needed in book, that we have to do only book. So I am going to start our first question. The number one question is that show the following numerals in Indian place value chart. Indian place value chart, when I was taking your previous chapter, in that I already said to you what is the Indian place value chart and how you will put the values in the according to place values. So in this question, demand is that you have to show the numbers according to Indian place value chart. See here, the numbers are given to you in questions, and we have to make one Indian place value chart, and after that we have to put the values in that. So I am going to start. Okay, number one is that 663057. These numbers you have to put in Indian place value chart. I am going to start. See here, 7 is the place of ones. So I will write here at the place of ones is 7, and the 5 at the place of 10. 0 is the place of 100, and the 3 is the place of 1000. Again 6 at the 10,000, and the one more 6 is at the place of 6 lakh. Then how we will recall it? 6,63,057. Like this you have to put the values in the place value chart. It will be easy when you are practicing at home. Maths need only a practice. So you all have to need a practice at home, students. Now this one second I will show you how you will do again one more. 29658. 2 is the place of ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. And here is the, as usual, chart is there. So we have to put the comma values in that. 6, 5, 8. It's done. 85,692. Rest one, some in this lecture, in this question, there will be 6 parts are there. 6 parts are there. So you, number 1 and number 2 I will do for you, and the next one C, D, E, F, that you also do in your fair notebook. You will not do in any other notebook. Now you have to start. In previous lecture we already said to you, you have to start your work in fair notebook. So this exercise also you will start in your fair notebook, and number A and B I will do. I will show you on the blackboard, and the next 4 one you have to do in your fair notebook. Now you can see here, second one question is that we have to do on blackboard. You can see with me and you can join with me. Here here is written tens. Number 2. See here, fill in the boxes. You can fill the boxes, and see here, that is the box. Fill in the box. Tens is equal to 1000. 100 tens is equal to 1000, and that is the units. Kids, these are the units, and you have to learn these things. And see here, 10 tens is equal to, and you can fill the ones in that box, and 100. It means 10 tens is equal to 100. Next one, see, dash lakh is equal to 100,000. See here, 1 lakh is equal to 100,000. D1, 10,000 is equal to 1 lakh. The third one question we have to do in our book only. You can also do in your book this one. Now come and open your book. I will read the question for you. In this question is given to you. Your place value chart is already given to you, and the related to this chart some questions are given to you downside. So you can do with me. This question you have to do in your book, and the question number 2 also do in your book. Now see, I am going to start. This one is the chart, and the place value of 5 in 4503. So what is the value of 5 in that? 4503. See here, 5 at the place of 100. So place value of 5 is 500. And be aware when you are reading the question. First you have to read the question properly, because here will be a place value also and the face value also. So that we already done in previous lecture, what is the place value and what is the face value. Now see here, the face value of 6 in 56,832. See, that is the 6, and but thing is that I already said to you, face value of any number is number itself. So what is the face value? 6. I am telling you one example. When you see your face in the mirror, what you have to see in the mirror? Your face exactly. So this is like this only. They want here the face value. Face value of 6 is 6 only. Okay. Now C1. 8,105. So what will be the place value of this? This will be a 90,000. You can check place value of 9 here. See here, 9 at the place of 90,000. And the next one is that the face value of 3 in 6,67,637. Though what will be the face value of 3? 3 value is that what? That is a 3 lakh. Okay. Sorry, the face value of this is only 3, the number itself. So I am going to start the next question, that is the question number 4, and you can also come with me on the blackboard. We have to solve it. That is, write the place value of O3S in this number. Question's demand is that you have to write the place value. Number is given to you, and they are asking about the number 3. Number 3, we have to tell about the place value of 3. So see here, 1 3 is there and 1 3 is there. So I will write here 2 3 here, 1 2. Now just check number 1 3 at the place of 100. 1 10 and 100. I will write here 300. And the next one 3 is 1 10 100,000 10,000 at the 3 is the place of 3 lakh. 5. So in like see, I will show you here also, that is the 300 and that is the 3 lakh. 5. Okay. This is the demand of question number 4. We have to put the place value of 3 in that. Now again we have to do the question number 5. We have to, I am going to read it and you can join with me this question also. In this number, how many times is the 8 on the left greater than the 8 on the right? They are asking, there will be 2 8s are there in this number. 2 8s are there. So they are saying कि how many 8 will be left 8 is greater than the right 8. So in that we have to put the value in that कि how you will show this one. I will tell you how you will do. It will be 100 times greater. So the question number 5 answer is that this one 8 and this one 8 differentiate is like that. That will be 100 times greater. Now question number 6 we will do in this. So I will read the question. Question is that write the period and the place value of n circle digit in each of the following. So here is the question number 6 and we are going to do a question number 6. Question number 6 they are saying those number doing the circle you have the write the periods and the place value of that periods when we are doing Indian number system and the international, that time I said to you what we have to do the periods, which number is the period and what we have to call the periods. So see here we will solve these questions in the number A, B, C I will do on the blackboard for you, and next one I will do for you. Next two you have to do in your notebook. I will going to solve it. Now see here 9 at the place of thousands. Okay, the period of 9 is 1000 and what is the place value of 9 is that in that. The place value of 9 in that is 9000. Okay, now next one is that 667631. In that 6 is the circle. So 6 will become in which period? 6 will become in ones period and at the place of 100. 600 will come in that. Now second one, third one is that 2 is the circle in this question. So 2 will come in period of thousands and the place value of 2 is 2 lakh. 2 lakh and the D 6 at the period in ones and the place is 6 only. So there will be a 6 question and the next one 7th one question we have to done in our book only. You can see I will show you how you will do it. In the following numbers mark the periods and write the place value of n circle digit. Also represent it on the abacus. One has been done for you. See here 1 is given to you and in that number is given to you 546021. That you have to make one abacus like this and solve the number. Here is 6 is in on the circle. So what will be the period of 6? 54 5,46,021. That is the period and the place value of the n circle digit is 6000. Next one B, C, D you can do in your notebook and made a abacus for the thing solving this question. So students, our exercise 1C is completed today and you all have to do this exercise in your notebook only. You can do this notebook in your this exercise in your notebook and you can do it only in your fair notebook. You can maintain your fair notebook and when our submission assignment needed you can submit your work in that and show me your answers in that. Okay students, let's do practice of maths. Only maths will be need a practice. So you can enjoy your maths and do this exercise in your notebook. Thank you.